On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about intersection types in TypeScript. We will explain the basic concept of intersection types, use cases, benefits, and caveats, along with detailed examples of type-specific code. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. In TypeScript, intersection types are a way to combine multiple types to create a new type. Intersection types allow you to combine multiple types to define a new type with all properties of those types. Intersection types are defined using the AND symbol and require all properties from each constituent type. In this code, by defining type C equals A and B, the C type becomes an object type that has both name and age. By using intersection types, you can reuse existing types and define more flexible and composite types. This enhances the maintainability and extensibility of your code. Additionally, intersection types can apply constraints of multiple different types simultaneously, thereby enhancing type safety. Reusability. By combining multiple types, you can reduce redundant definitions and reuse existing types. Type safety. Intersection types enhance type checking by allowing only objects that satisfy conditions of multiple types. Intersection types are extremely useful when extending objects or interfaces. In particular, it is useful when you want to represent objects with multiple properties. In this example, the vehicle type is defined as an intersection type combining drivable and flyable. An object of type vehicle must implement both the drive and fly methods. By combining classes and intersection types, it is possible to create objects that have the properties of multiple interfaces. Here, we use the intersection type person-employee, of person, and employee to make the company worker class have the properties of both. An important point when using intersection types is to be aware of the possibility of property conflicts. If properties with the same name have different type annotations across different types, an error may occur. In this example, the ID properties of A and B conflict, causing an error when defining an object with type C. In such cases, a design review is necessary to avoid property conflicts. Finally, here is a real code example that includes type annotations. This code combines the contact info and address interfaces to create a new type called person details. This code combines the basic info and work info interfaces to create a new type called full info. TypeScript's intersection types are a powerful feature for combining multiple types into a new type. This enhances code reusability and safety, enabling complex type definitions. By effectively leveraging design flexibility while being cautious of type conflicts, you can achieve robust and highly readable code. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Thank you for watching. This channel provides practical and useful information about programming. Subscribe to the channel and let's deepen our programming skills together.